it's me, K10, and I have a great idea for a craft and an experiment. I want to see how much glitter can go inside of one slime. Wow! You're gonna have to wait around to the end to see how it turns out, but I'm ready to make it. Are you? Yes! Let's make some glitter slime! Whoa! Okay, so we have to make the glitteriest slime ever. So first off, we need to make slime.
I love slime.
So we need something to mix our slime in. I'm using this little container here. And the way that we make our slime is we take a whole bottle of glue. I'm using clear glue today. I love it, and I just found it at the store, but I think that if you're gonna show off glitter, it's really nice to be able to have some clear glue to put the glitter inside of. So I'm just gonna go dump this whole thing in. Whoa! Glue, 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 glue. It looks pretty. It kind of looks just like water even, but like definitely you don't want to drink this. All right, in goes that glue. Get to the last drop. There we go. Okay, now put that in the recycling. Next, we're going to need to make a solution. We can do that in this bowl. And the solution is gonna be half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I just found this in my kitchen. It's just regular baking soda. I use it all the time for baking. We're just gonna put half a teaspoon in here. It doesn't have to be exact, but you know, close enough. Great, and then I'll move this to the side, put that over there. Then I'm gonna take contact lens solution, and I found this at the store too, just the most basic, simple one. And I'm gonna need to put 1.5 tablespoons in here. So here we go. Open that up. We go, one. Put that here, and then we're gonna go half tablespoon there. Now it's time to mix it up. Okay, so we're just gonna mix this mixture up like that. Make sure that you wanna make sure all that the baking soda has dissolved before you add it to the next mixture. So, what's nice about using a clear bowl is you can see if your baking soda has dissolved, and I'll say it has. So what you're gonna do is, this is our magic time. You're going to pour this right on top. You wanna get all of that stuff on there. And you might be wondering, how will this make slime? But it just does. That's why this recipe is my favorite slime recipe. Okay, so you go in with your fingers, and you can start stirring a little bit just like that. I always like doing that and seeing like the globs that start to form, the slime that starts to form as all that mixture gets just mushed in there. And really, it's kind of fun to think that you're just trying to mix the glue with that watery mixture. And you don't want any of that water to come out either. You want to get it all. Whoa, look at that. I do like clear slime. This would be fun to just leave it as clear slime. But that's not what we're doing today. We're seeing how much glitter can go inside of a slime. Ooh, ewy gooey. Wow. All right, we still have some liquid that we need to soak up in here. Just get your fingers in there, working away. Do you hear that? Ew. Okay, I am just stirring this around. There's bubbles that are starting to form in here. Look at all this bubbly, clear slime going on. Whoa. Okay, covering everything. Now it's still a little sticky. We gotta get it to the point where it turns slimy. And it's starting to, you can see that on my hands here. I love when it stops sticking to my hands and starts becoming slime itself. Just gotta keep mixing and mixing and mixing that whole mixture together. We still have some more stuff to grab from in here. No slime gets left behind. Am I right?
That's right, K10.
Now we have our beautiful clear slime. Whoa. Just get it all into one thing, and we're almost there. Awesome. So we have this amazing, snappy, clear, whoa, little chunk went over there. Clear slime. It doesn't look clear right now because we're just working it so much, but when it rests, it will be clear. Wow. So let's put it back in its bowl. It kind of looks like a waterfall slowly falling down. Ew. I like the feeling of slime on my hands. Do you? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding my favorite ingredient.
Glitter!
I love glitter, and I've only ever put like one bottle of glitter in a slime before. So I wanna see if I can make all these bottles of glitter go in the slime, or when we are at max glitter capacity. So here goes nothing. Our first bottle of glitter is going in. Whoa, that is a lot of glitter already. We're gonna make sure that this gets all mixed in. And the cool thing about using slime with glitter is once the glitter is completely in the slime, it's very hard to make a glittery mess. But until then, you have to be really careful. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fold the slime over and we're gonna make like a glitter pouch in here. I love this pink glitter. It's like perfect pinky slime. Ooh, and the slime is starting to come out, but it's also getting mixed in. Whoa, look, it's like a glitter explosion in here. Whoa. Whoa. This is very, very glittery already. I wonder if it can even hold all this glitter. Whoa! All right, let's get all that extra bit of glitter goodness. Just poke that glitter, and still we have glitter exploding out of our slime. Whoa! I love this. How cool is that? All that glitter. Wow. This is also a fun thing to do outside if your grown-ups are afraid of a glittery mess, and it is very normal that they would be because glitter is really hard to clean up. Okay. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. How glittery is this slime gonna be? So now that we basically have all this glitter into this ball of slime, wow, I think it's time that we add another bottle of glitter.
More glitter? Is that even possible?
I think we should add the whole bottle, but maybe some people would say just do a half bottle, but I think we gotta try to add a whole bottle of glitter. Whoa, okay. So I think, whoa, do you hear the bubbles cracking? I like, clear slime is like very snappy slime in my opinion of slimes. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. And the next glitter I think we should add, I wonder, should we add, we've got this beautiful pink color, we've got this beautiful gold color, we've got this beautiful silver color, and I think we should put a bottle of gold in. Very regal. I just noticed that there's some glitter on the table that I gotta scoop up. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, that's so cool. It's leaving glitter on the table. Yay! All right, so now we're going to put this down. We're gonna dump this bottle of gold glitter in. That is a lot of glitter. That is a lot of glitter that I just put in there. Some people would say, that's too much glitter. But I say, not enough. Maybe, we'll see if it's enough. So now I'm just gonna start getting all this glitter. It kind of looks like a beautiful like geode, sort of a rock moving around in here. Oh, are you ready for the glitter explosion here? Boom. Whoa. There it goes. Wow. Just so glittery. This looks so cool. I think gold was the right color choice. Whoa. Okay, stretch it out. Wow. Look at this gorgeous slime. So the whole thing is when you're mixing the slime and the glitter is you gotta make sure that that glitter is in there and not just in like a little pouch of glitter, that it's actually part of the slime. Whoa. Whoa. This is like so cool. It was like pulling taffy or something. Okay, so now we have some more glitter we gotta get from the bottom of here. I'm just gonna try to pick up as much glitter as I can. You can see how much glitter I'm trying to grab down there. Okay, and there it is. Whoa! Fold that together. I am gonna be glittery tonight. Okay. Get that all mixed up in there. Whoa! Look at when I pull it apart, you can see the inside. Okay, let's get more glitter on here. Okay, let's see how much glitter we can pick up. Whoa! Okay, let's get this all folded in. Yes, 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 yes. Whoa. It's like taking more strength to pull it apart. Whoa. But it is becoming real. How stretchy is this glitter? Ah! And it goes. Let's make it go in like a little snake or something. Whoa. Okay. I think this might be one of the last times I have to grab the glitter. Okay. Whoa. Fold that. And wow, I think we got most of that glitter. Whoa, so sparkly. Now, I think because we're trying to make this the glitteriest slime ever, that we have to do one more bottle. We have to!
Whoa. No way.
Purple glitter. I think the purple glitter will look really good with this. Our gold and our pink. Let's dump it in. Whoa. Wow. And you know what? The great thing about me making this video is, you know, once we know what the glitteriest slime is, we don't need to go that glittery on the slimes we make at home. So we gotta mix in this glitter. Whoa, look at that. It is so, whoa, it is exploding with glitter. That is pretty cool. Okay, keep going. You gotta mix, mix, mix. Whoa, it is erupting with glitter, and I just need that slime to absorb this glitter. Come on, come on. I know that we were asking a lot putting 3 bottles of glitter in here. Whoa, okay. Wow, look at that color of slime. That is so, and my hands are so sparkly. Wow. Okay, keep going, keep going. And I'm going to go and add the rest of this glitter. So I'm gonna take this big glitter slime piece here. I'm gonna just drop it right in and try to grab the rest of this glitter. Maybe I'll move it to the center. Okay, that is really, really shiny. Okay, I'm gonna just put it in here. There we go. Press it down. And let's see what sort of glitter we pull up. Okay. Whoa, okay, ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Ooh, what? That is so sparkly. Okay, now I'm gonna fold that in, get that glitter all in there. This is becoming very hard slime. Whoa, and hard to rip too. And it's exploding glitter when I rip it, but look at how cool it looks on the inside.
Ooh, pretty.
Let's see how this stretches even. Oh, oh, ah. Okay, so I think once we get this glitter in, this is the max amount of glitter this slime can handle. Okay, there we go. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, let's see if we can pull a bunch more glitter up. And we totally did. Okay, we're gonna fold this in. We're gonna mix it up. Oh, like that. Get that all ooey and gooey. Wow, look at this. Imagine if this was like my skin was this glittery. Whoa, hello, hello. Okay, so let's get the last bit of glitter and then we're gonna reveal our glitter slime. Okay. Okay, I think this is as much glitter as I'm gonna get in this slime. Okay, perfect. I think the size of the slime actually grew. How is that possible? There's our glittery, glittery slime. And let's pull it apart just to show you how cool this looks. Okay, here we go. Pull this apart. Wow! We have made probably, I have never seen a glitterier slime than this, ever. This is so chock full of glitter. I don't think I could add another glitter because it would be very, very, very hard to mix that in. Wow, I just love how this looks. Now I need a container for this, so I'm gonna use a resealable container because I do not want this glitter slime drying out. So I'm gonna just take this, oopsie. So I'm just gonna take this container and I'm gonna roll up this glitter slime one last time. Ooh, oh, it is so hard to work with. I'm gonna take this beautiful glitter slime and I'm gonna put it right into this container where I can give it to somebody who really loves slime. And it goes, and I'll get my beautiful lid for it, and boom! Wow, we have made slime that has over 3 big bottles of glitter inside of it. I can't believe that we did that together. Well, thank you so much for joining me for another Crafternoon. Bye! Thanks for watching K10's Crafternoon. If you love this and if you love crafts, make sure to like and subscribe on YouTube at K10 Crafternoon.